Welcome back, music lovers. In this video, I'll show you how to update your biography and profile picture on Pandora so your listeners can get to know you better. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or just want to personalize your profile, I've got you covered. Step 1. Access your Pandora AMP dashboard. First, you'll need to access your Pandora AMP Artist Marketing Platform dashboard. If you haven't already, sign up for Pandora AMP with your artist account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options. Step 2. Navigate to your artist profile. Next, navigate to your artist profile by clicking on the Artist Profile tab or a similar option in the dashboard. This will take you to your profile page where you can make changes to your biography and profile picture. Step 3. Upload a new profile picture. To upload a new profile picture, click on the Edit Picture or similar option. Choose a high-quality image that represents you or your brand well. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload and crop your picture as needed. Step 4. Update your biography. To update your biography, click on the Edit Bio or similar option. A text box will appear where you can enter or paste your new biography. Make sure to keep it concise and engaging, highlighting important aspects of your career or personality. Step 5. Save your changes. Once you've updated your biography and profile picture, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Submit button at the bottom of the page and click on it to ensure your updates are applied. And there you have it. Updating your biography and profile picture on Pandora is quick and easy, allowing you to keep your listeners informed and engaged. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the music industry. Thanks for watching.